Hello everybody, today we're going to see the unboxing of Boditech Ichroma CEA test kit. This is the 25 test kit pack. You can see this here. Reference part number is 13013. You can see the lot number, manufacturing date and expiry date. So it's made in Korea from Boditech Made in Corporation. It can be stored at room temperature. It's a CIVD certified product. Okay, it says Ichroma CEA. The intended use. Ichroma CEA is a fluorescent immunoassay for the quantitative determination of CEA in human serum plasma. It is useful as an aid in management and monitoring of cancer patients for in vitro diagnostic use only. So for the box contents, the key contents inside the box, I could say 25 cartridges, 1 ID chip, 1 instruction for use, and 25 detection buffer packed in a separate box. And this is that box. Separate box. If you can see this here, you can see it's Ichroma CEA reduction buffer. It's 2 to 8, so it has to be maintained in a temperature controlled environment. So I'm just keeping it over the ice pack here. Okay, we'll open that little later. Okay, this is how the box looks like. Let me go around the box. Okay, good. Open this box for you. I got this box open. Okay, inside the 25 test kit box you get one IFU brochure. It's IFU. You can see it's Ichroma. You get the intended detailed IFU brochure where you get the principle, procedure, the warning and instructions, the storing condition and the stability of this test, and meditations, how to prepare your sample, test setup and test procedure, and how do you interpret your results and quality controls and the performance characteristics. So you have the complete information to conduct this test in the IFU brochure. Yes. Then you get one ID chip. You can see the ID chip here. It says ID chip CEA and the lot number is given here. So it is important that you use the same chip for the lot number corresponding to the cartridges when used, so you get the right results. And 25 cartridges inside. You can see 25 cartridges. I'll pull 2 cartridges for you outside. Okay, here you go. I'll keep one and this is this side. You can see it says Ichroma CEA. You can see the lot number. The expiry date is given, CIVD certified. Back side of the cartridge pack. Okay. Then we go to this detection buffer. So you can see this here, Ichroma CEA detection buffer. 25 detection buffer tube. You can see the CE certified and lot number, and you can see, yeah, you can see the same lot number is given here actually. Yeah, you can see same lot number. I'll just open this for you. I need to maintain the temperature here. You can see this here. Okay, there are 25 detection buffer inside. You can see there are 5 rows, column 5 and 5. So I'll take one from this. You can see, just to show you, the buffer is liquid inside. I'm just shaking it. You can see this here. This is how it looks like. I'm putting it back. Okay, this is how the total kits looks like. So quickly to summarize here, today we've seen the unboxing of Ichroma CEA 25 test kit pack. In the 25 test kit pack you get one IFU brochure and one ID chip and 25 cartridges and 25 detection diluent buffer. So this is how the total test kits looks like. Okay, thank you.